On the next slide, you'll be taken to this website. I wanted to show you what I'm looking for you to do with this website so that you can be successful once you get there. So once the page loads on your computer, it will look just like this. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be building a network of neurons. You're going to be connecting one neuron to another by forming synapses. Recall a synapse is where an axon terminal, which we can see labeled on our screen here, where an axon terminal meets up with something else. And in this case, it's going to be meeting up with another neuron. Keep in mind that information flows through a neuron in one direction, meaning information has to enter through the dendrites. So information comes into a neuron through the dendrites, it exits through the axon terminal. So that means that our synapses are going to be between the axon terminals and the dendrites of neurons. What you can do is you can just click the play button, and then you'll be given a blank canvas, and you can add neurons to it. You can drag them around, and you can make these synapses. So you can see there's a little blow up there, connection made. Now you can start to play around. You can trigger this neuron here by clicking on the cell body, and let's see the flow of information as we do so. We can see that it traveled through all three of those neurons. Well, what happens if I click just this one here? Oh, it only just went through those two. Why did the message not go through this neuron when I stimulated this neuron right in the middle? Recall, that's because information only flows in one direction. So it cannot go this way through the synapse. So my challenge to you is to build a network of neurons and synapses on your screens. Whoever in the class can get the most synapses, that function, when you click just one neuron, I'll give you some extra credit. Time is limited though, so you're not going to have a lot of time to do this, so you will have to act fast.